Hi guys, it's Fusion. So I just realized making these things does not make sense at all. So let me just do this. Should I add more details? Yes, I probably should. Goals, actual goals, AF, da 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 da! What's so funny? Smiley faces. No, they're pink, so that doesn't match. Everything black, 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 black. So these. Have you guys ever heard of Girl in Red? Comment down below if you ever heard of Girl in Red. She's my favorite vocalist or singer this in 2019. She's amazing. My aunt Mina has made a video with Girl in Red. I was really surprised to see that she had done that. So yeah, you should probably go check out Girl in Red. I'll leave the link in the description probably to Girl in Red. So I'm done with the giveaway. So I think that was all for this video. So goodbye. Love you.